Seamlessly bridge your crypto world by connecting Trust Wallet directly to Binance. First, open your Trust Wallet app, navigate to the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer or manage. For this tutorial, let's select Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin screen, you'll find options like send and receive. To get your Trust Wallet address ready, tap on the receive button. This will display your unique Bitcoin receive address and a QR code. The most reliable way to connect is by copying this address. Tap the copy button. Now switch over to your Binance account, log in, and navigate to your wallet. Look for the deposit function. On the Binance deposit page, you'll need to select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit from Trust Wallet. In our example, this is Bitcoin. Crucially, select the exact same network as the one you're using in Trust Wallet. For Bitcoin, this is usually referred to as the Bitcoin network or BTC. Double-checking this is vital to avoid any asset loss. Now, find the field for entering your deposit address. This is where you'll paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier. Tap in the field and then select Paste. Binance will likely perform a quick verification. You should see a green indicator confirming the address is valid. Before you finalize, carefully review all the details: the cryptocurrency, the network, and the address. Once confirmed on Binance that your deposit address is ready, return to Trust Wallet, select Bitcoin and tap Send. Enter the Binance deposit address you just verified into the recipient field, then input the amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer. Review the transaction summary, including the gas fees. Tap Confirm to authorize the transfer. Your cryptocurrencies will now be transferred securely between your Trust Wallet and Binance, allowing you to manage your digital assets with greater flexibility and access a world of DeFi opportunities.